Hi there, today I'll show you the best alternative for unlinked alternative app store, because it's always a good idea to have an alternative. So the whole process is pretty easy and will take you just a couple of minutes. The very first step is you have to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it free of charge, just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in a search bar. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on Downloader, give it a moment to load, and here is that orange app, which you'll need to get to your device. But then, after you've got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you'll still need to set it up. So now, in order to actually stop Downloader, we'll need to go to Settings. So let's do that together. Go to that menu, select Settings, and open them up. Then the next step is you'll have to go into My Fire TV, and then we need to turn on the developer options. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go into installation of unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do now is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So let's go back to list of apps. Here we go, and there is Downloader, which we just got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Iceland right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that is really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your device, locate Downloader, and let's open it up. So we open it. Now here at the top, there is a search bar, which we are going to use. So just open the search bar right here, and now we'll need to enter a link, which is gonna be applinked.store. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's applinked.store. So just enter it as you see on my screen. After that, click on next. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. Then this web page is going to appear and you have to click that green download app link button. So press the button and the download has started now. Usually that takes just a couple of seconds. Then click on install and wait a bit until the application is fully installed. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because that way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on the Fire Stick. So click on delete and then delete once again to save yourself some free space on the device. Now we have to go back to settings one more time. So open the settings right here, and go to My Fire TV, developer options, and this time you have to locate app linked here and turn that option on as well, because we'll be using app linked to get other applications from the internet. Now we get back to a list of applications on the Fire TV stick, and here's the app linked alternative app store which we just got. So now I would recommend you to hold down the middle button on your remote, and this menu will appear on the right side. Click on Move to Front, and that way the app will always be at the very beginning of your application list. And therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months free of charge. And then let's go and start using the app linked. Now from here, there's a couple of ways to use it. You can either go to public stores, and this way you'll see all the applications that are available in app linked, but they will not be sorted by any categories. Or you can scroll down and see different app categories, such as live streaming, movies and TV shows, games, sports, and so on. If you choose any of those categories, the applications will actually be filtered. So those are the ways you can use app linked alternative app store. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.